So there are two things that are really reassuring in my own experience of Theory U. The one is it's not rocket science. There's something that's connected, certainly for me and many people that I've spoken to, connected to a profound common sense, a deep knowing of an order to how to go about activating well-being in the world and activating well-being in oneself. The offer that's present here with this approach and method and actually way of life, way of approaching life, is that there's a grounding that gets put underfoot. So particularly in these times of uncertainty, of chaos, of really not knowing what's going to arrive tomorrow, the capacity to feel your own agency, to be able to say, I can still show up and be present in the fullness of myself and my sense of possibility, my sense of being able to do something. It's priceless, actually, at this time.